Hello guys. In the last issue, I will continue to introduce you to another feature of CFaceLIVE, video face swapping. CFaceLIVE is our new software. This powerful software can support real-time camera face swap, live broadcast, video or picture face swap, one-click background change and other functions. Today, I will first explain to you how the camera can perform real-time face swap live broadcast. Let's now demonstrate the real-time live streaming of the camera face swap. First of all, see the input source section here. Camera is the function of the camera to change the face in real time, and the cameras of the computer, mobile phone, and camera can be used here. I'll choose a mobile phone camera here, and you can choose according to your needs. We have to choose the second drive mode. Rotate here we can see, 90 degrees clockwise, 90 degrees counterclockwise, 180 degrees. Our input source screen is normal, so we don't have to rotate it. Let's look at this resolution again. There are many choices for resolution. I will choose this 800 x 600 here, depending on your own needs to choose. We enter the source here and we have selected it, and we can start the camera. Next, let's look at the middle area. This area is the preview window, and the first window is the original input source screen. If we are using video as the input source, this window will display the original video screen. We're going to put in the camera here, so this window shows us as it is. I don't want to show my face, so I'll remove the square root here, and my face won't be revealed. The second window is the facial features of the human face detected by our AI face swapping software, and there is a beautification function section below, which can make an adjustment to our face to meet the requirements of beautifying our facial features, and adjust it according to personal needs. I didn't want to show my face here, so I removed the square root. The third window is our model face recognition window, which is the face model we want to replace. The following is the model file storage. We can select the model we want to replace, click to replace. The fourth window is a preview window after our AI face swap. After we finish changing the face, it will be displayed in this window. The following area is to adjust the size of our preview window, adjust the pixel value here, or we can also watch the comparison between the original video and the video with the new face. You can choose here in the output image. When we select this pinned preview window, it will appear at the very top, and then we see that this preview image is not clear enough, and we come to this model adjustment section. We usually use this area often, and we often use it for video face swapping and picture face swapping, and when we feel that the face is blurry, we can turn on this super resolution repair. Let's take a look at the comparison. This section can also adjust the color difference of the face, and we can turn on the tone adjustment to adjust it according to personal preferences. And then this section also has a masking function, that is, for example, our face is relatively large, the model is relatively small, and the fusion effect is not so good. You can use the masking function. Finally, this is our live streaming section. This function is that after we complete the real-time face swap or video face swap, we can push our window to the live broadcast platform in real time, and we can choose the push frame rate, and we enter the push address here to start pushing. For example, during live streaming, we can push live streams in real time through OBS or the push URL of the live streaming platform. The above is the real-time face swap function of the camera of our CFaceLIVE AI live face swap software. The software interface is very simple. You can download and try it by yourself, and you can get started soon. By the way, the software is internal software, not open source software, and it is also the most popular AI face swapping software on the whole network. If you have any questions during use, you can also leave a message or enter the community link below to communicate. So, that's all for this issue of the camera's real-time face swap video, and we'll see you next time.
As shown below, camera face swap demonstration video, achievements display.
Distance was a friend of mine, catching breath in a web of lies. I've spent most of my life riding waves, playing acrobat, shadow boxing the other half, learning how to react.